I love shopping from Temu, and in this purchase, Temu gave me the chance to choose from products worth $0, and I didn't pay for 3 items. Watch my video and follow the instructions. You can win too. You'll find all the necessary information, codes, and links both in the video and in the description. The first product I'll show you is a water-soluble bait bag. This product will increase your fishing efficiency by 100%. Put the bait that will attract your target fish in this bag and send it into the water with your rig. It's a very clever way to attract the fish. The second product I'll show you is a microphone. This is one of the products I didn't pay for. It's quite useful and very popular. I'll share my experiences with you after using it. The next product is fishing line. I especially prefer these thin braided lines for LRF light rock fishing style fishing. Quite sturdy and smooth. My other product is a sensor headlamp. If you fish at night or enjoy activities like cycling or hiking, you should definitely get this product. It's a very lightweight and highly functional product. My other product is this amazing fishing lure. They have great colors and the hooks are very sharp. It's a lure with noisy balls and a shallow diving depth. I will use this lure especially for sea bass and bluefish. This product is fluorocarbon fishing line. I received this product without paying anything as well. The other item I didn't pay for was this screwdriver set. It's a very useful product and a problem solver. These 3 products came to me for free thanks to the $0 campaign. If you use the code and link in the description, you can also choose from different products. This product is a fishing line specifically designed for making carp rigs. I bought it for the first time, and I must say it looks quite sturdy. I go for a run 2 or 3 days a week. Since the weather is getting colder, I bought this set from Temu. I used the product, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now I can do sports in low temperatures without complaining about the cold. This product is also very useful for other outdoor activities. Friends, in this Temu unboxing video, I explained how you can get free products with the $0 campaign. Don't forget to check the descriptions and take advantage of the opportunities. Use the link, download the app, or use my $0 code. That's all. Please send me your questions.